Hello everyone and welcome back to Blender tutorial series. In this video I am going to discuss about landscapes. There are several ways to create landscapes. I am going to discuss about two ways. One is by using simple default plane. Another is by using an add-on. So first, we are going to create a landscape using default plane. Now we are going to delete this cube. Select this, press X, delete. Now we are going to add a plane. Shift A, mesh, plane. This is very small, so we are going to scale it by 3 times. Yes, and 3. Enter. Now we have to enter into edit mode. Press tab, zoom a bit. Now we have to subdivide. Hotkey is Ctrl E. Now subdivide selected edges. Subdivide. Now we will go left side bottom. Here we have option. Now we have to increase the number of cuts from 1 to 50. So it is subdivided across x-axis and also y-axis. Now we unselected it. Now we have to enable the proportional editing. We will select a random vertex. We can also select different types of editing like smooth sphere, root, inverse square, sharp, linear, random. I'm going to select default one, smooth one. Now G on grab on Z axis. We can increase the size of this mount by rotating the third mouse button. Now again, select a random vertex. I'm going to select different one. This time I'm going to select this sharp one. Well, G and grab along Z axis. I'm going to increase the size of this mount. Now one more mount. Select a random vertex, grab Z, I'm going to change this proportional fall of sharp to random. We can change the Z, the height, and also proportional size. Now I think this is enough for demonstration purpose. Now we are going to create 3 materials. One for snow caps, that is white. This is white by default, and another gray one at the middle altitude. For the middle altitude, gray, I think this much is enough. Now one more green for grassy terrain. Green, and somewhat light green. Yeah, I guess this is enough. Now we will change the view to front view. We can go here, view, viewpoint, front view. So we have three different mounts on our landscape. So first we will apply green color to whole thing. You can select by pressing B or A. I'm going to box select, so I have pressed B and I'm going to select all the points. Well, before that we have to go from solid mode to wireframe edges. I'm going to select it again so that the one which are present at the behind is selected. Now green, assign. Now again deselect, press B to apply gray color to the mid altitude of the mountains. Now gray, assign. Now unselect it. Now press B. For the top of the tip of the mountains, I'm going to apply white color material, assign. Now we will change from wire to material preview mode, and from edit mode to object mode. You can see the landscape. You can do whatever the landscape you want by this method.